Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and trade options in Robinhood. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So trading options on Robinhood involves enabling options trading in your account first, selecting a stock, choosing a strategy like buying calls or puts, and placing an order. Robinhood offers commission-free options trading, but other fees may apply. So there are a couple important considerations before trading. Options are complex products and involve significant risk, including the potential to lose more than your initial investment. Robinhood requires users to go through an approval process that evaluates financial knowledge, investment objectives, and risk tolerance to determine eligibility and set a trading level 2 or 3. A standard options contract typically controls 100 shares of the underlying stocks or ETF, and you should read and understand the characteristics and risks of standardized options before engaging in any option trading. So here's going to be the step-by-step guide to placing an options trade. Number one, enable options trading. So go to your account settings within the Robinhood app or website and enable options trading by completing the required application and risk disclosures. Your account must be approved for options trading before you can trade. Then number two, you can simply go ahead and search for an asset. Use the search bar or the magnifying glass icon to find the stock or ETF you want to trade options on, and then navigate to the options chain on the assets detail page, select trade and then trade options. Then choose an expiration date from the available options. Options with different expiration dates will have different prices, and then choose a strategy and strike price. So buy a call or buy a put, and then you can simply go ahead and specify your order details, like choosing the quantity of the contracts you wish to trade, selecting an order type, so limit order or market order, stuff like that. And then you can simply review all order details and then swipe up or tap to submit the order. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.